Get on my screen. You're in trouble.
No. Why aren't I moving?
Move! Stop doing that. What are you being weird? Just move side to side like this.
How?
Like that, yeah.
Why?
Use wave the Wii remote like this. That's how you move side to side. Like that. So you're moving side to side makes it hard for me to makes.
Oh my gosh.
There she goes. There you go. Now you're back up. All right, start swinging.
What makes you swing?
Like that. That. What you're doing.
Well, what makes me move? This?
Yeah, side to side. No, the actual remote. This is just a punch.
What is?
This, the nunchuck. Punch me. So there you go.
It's like delayed.
There you go. You hit me. I'm about to send one more hit and I'm going to get knocked out.
Ow! Oh!
One more hit and I'm knocked out.
Ow. Tim, turn it off.
Yep. Oh my gosh.
Ow!
I'm actually about to lose.
I thought we were done!
I'm actually losing. I'm gonna lose. I don't know why. Stop like on the screen.
I think I'm having a heart attack.
Oops.
Stop pushing. Oh my gosh.
Just gonna do what you're doing. This is obviously working, so I'm not doing anything.